I want to be quite honest with you. I'm not the inventor of the stuff I'm sharing with you. I consider myself as a chef who did not invent the meat or the dairy products or the vegetables he uses. He uses them. They are there. And then he puts them together to create a delicious meal. The end result is he takes stuff, he buys stuff on the market, he puts it together in a subtle way that tastes good, and then he has a meal that his customers will enjoy. And that's why I want you. I want you to enjoy the meal that I've cooked, of which I did not invent the ingredients. They come from ancient knowledge and from modern science.
My name is Dr. Wulff, a leading expert in mindset transformation and personal success. By joining me, you will unlock proven strategies to elevate your mindset and transform your life. Explore more in the video description.